Have you ever wondered which SUV among the hundreds hitting the market each year is truly worth your money? One that doesn't keep you stuck at the repair shop, guzzles gas like there's no tomorrow, and can stay reliable for a decade? Many buyers get swayed by flashy ads, only to regret their choice a few years later. The good news? There are SUVs out there backed by thousands of owners and trusted organizations like Consumer Reports and J.D. Power. Today, we're diving into the top 7 most reliable SUVs for 2025, a list that could save you thousands in repair costs and keep you confident on every drive. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Here's the ranking of the top SUVs. Mazda CX-5. If you've driven a few mainstream SUVs and then hopped into a Mazda CX-5, it feels like upgrading from economy to business class. That's why owners often say, the CX-5 delivers a luxury SUV experience at a much friendlier price. Its standout feature, reliability. According to Consumer Reports, the 2025 CX-5 scores around 85/100 for dependability, giving you peace of mind that your money isn't going down the drain. On the road, the CX-5 shines with engaging handling, precise steering, and confident cornering, qualities rare in a segment often called boring. Some owners say one long drive is enough to make you forget the competition. Its base engine gets 26 horses in the city and 31 mpg on the highway, not record-breaking, but reasonable for daily use. Plus, if you want to tow a small boat or jet ski, its 2,000-pound towing capacity has you covered. Beyond the numbers, the CX-5 wins hearts with its refined cabin, featuring premium materials and a sleek, minimalist design. It's easy to forget you're in a mainstream SUV. Of course, no car is perfect. The fuel economy isn't jaw-dropping, and the cargo space could be bigger. But if you want an SUV that blends style, durability, and fun driving dynamics, the Mazda CX-5 deserves a spot on your shortlist. Six, Subaru Crosstrek. While the Mazda CX-5 impresses with sophistication, the Subaru Crosstrek wins with rugged charm and rock-solid reliability. This is the SUV for those who love grabbing a backpack, heading to the countryside, climbing hills, or tackling gravel roads without worrying if the car can handle it. J.D. Power gives the 2025 Crosstrek an 8300 reliability score, a number backed by the real-world experiences of thousands of fiercely loyal Subaru owners. Its biggest strength? Standard all-wheel drive, not an expensive add-on like you'll find in many competitors. This makes the Crosstrek ideal for snowy or rainy regions, or for anyone who loves weekend adventures. One owner jokingly said, "Once you drive a Subaru, it's hard to go back to anything else." That mix of humor and truth captures the unique appeal of the Crosstrek. In terms of power and performance, the Crosstrek isn't a speed demon, but it's steady, reliable, and impressively fuel efficient. It feels solid, never struggling on hills or rough terrain. The interior is straightforward but practical, with user-friendly controls and minimal maintenance issues. Built to serve, not stress you out. Subaru backs it with a solid warranty. 3 years that are 36,000 miles for the vehicle, and 5 years suck 60,000 miles for the powertrain, giving owners confidence in the early years. It's not flawless. Acceleration can feel sluggish, and the back seat might be tight for taller passengers. But the Crosstrek is a compact, practical, reliable SUV with a personality that's hard to match. With this car, you're not just buying a vehicle. You're getting a trusty companion ready for any journey, from city streets to remote mountain trails. Thief, Toyota Highlander. If the Subaru Crosstrek is built for adventure seekers, the Toyota Highlander is the steadfast gatekeeper for families. This three-row SUV is designed for school drop-offs, weekend grocery runs, or long road trips where everyone in the car feels safe and secure. According to Consumer Reports, the 2025 Highlander scores around 81/100 for reliability. Not the highest on this list, but enough to solidify its reputation as the go-to family SUV across America. Owners rate the Highlander highly, with about 64% giving it top marks on Kelley Blue Book. There are rare reports of minor issues, like heating system glitches, but these don't overshadow its overall dependability. What draws families to the Highlander is its safety. It consistently earns 5-star ratings from NHTSA and IIHS, the gold standard organizations for crash testing and passenger protection. With the Highlander, you're not just getting a spacious SUV, you're wrapping your loved ones in an invisible layer of armor for every journey. On the road, the Highlander isn't a sports car, but its engine and transmission deliver smooth, reliable performance. The cabin is quiet, the rear seats are roomy enough for kids and adults, and the cargo space handles a family's worth of luggage with ease. This is the kind of SUV you can confidently hand the keys to your spouse or even a newly licensed teen driver, thanks to its forgiving handling and rock-solid build. Toyota offers its standard warranty: 3 years, 36,000 miles for the basics, and 5 years, 60,000 miles for the powertrain. It's not flashy, but like the Highlander itself, it doesn't need to be. This SUV won't blow you away at first glance, but it quietly protects and serves you day after day, year after year. If you're looking for a durable, safe, spacious family SUV with reasonable operating costs, the 2025 Highlander is a double safe choice. Safe for your passengers and safe for your wallet. Pause for 3 seconds and hit the subscribe button to support us. Honda CR-V. If the Highlander is the family protector, the Honda CR-V is like a reliable best friend, always on time and never complaining. The 2025 CR-V continues Honda's long-standing dominance in the compact SUV segment, where balance between reliability, practicality, and performance is key. Consumer Reports gives it a reliability score of around 83/100, reassuring you that this SUV won't turn your daily commute into emergency garage visits. Owners often describe the CR-V as a car that never lets you down. Its sturdy chassis, nimble handling, and spacious cabin make it ideal for singles, small families, or anyone in between. J.D. Power echoes this, awarding the CR-V high marks based on feedback from thousands of real-world owners. There are minor gripes about the infotainment system or occasional tech glitches, but these are overshadowed by its overall dependability and consistency. On the road, the 2025 CR-V isn't the fastest, but it offers a confident, comfortable driving experience. The turbocharged engine provides adequate power, while its fuel efficiency helps keep running costs low. The interior is smartly designed, with plenty of storage compartments, comfy rear seats, and a roomy trunk for weekend getaways. What makes the CR-V special isn't flashy features. It's the ability to stand the test of time. Whether you're commuting, shuttling kids, or taking the occasional road trip, the CR-V keeps going, like a loyal friend who's always there. That's why it earns its spot among the most reliable SUVs of 2025. Toyota Corolla Cross. If the Honda CR-V is the dependable best friend, the Toyota Corolla Cross is like Toyota's golden child: compact, practical, and surprisingly durable. The 2025 model builds on the legendary reliability of the Corolla name, but in a sleek, urban-friendly SUV package. Consumer Reports predicts above-average reliability for the Corolla Cross, even awarding it a rare 5.5 for durability in its class. That means fewer trips to the mechanic and more worry-free drives. To owners, the Corolla Cross isn't just a vehicle. It's a symbol of peace of mind. The cabin is roomy enough for a small family. The ride is smooth in city traffic. and it won't hit you with hefty repair bills. Toyota includes its familiar warranty: 3 years, 36,000 miles for the basics, and 5 years, just 60,000 miles for the powertrain. Nothing flashy, but a quiet promise that this SUV will stick by your side. Don't expect the Corolla Cross to deliver a thrilling, sporty drive. Its strength lies in simplicity. Turn the key, the engine starts, it runs smoothly, sips fuel, and keeps going for years. Some owners compare it to a washing machine. Not glamorous, but consistent, reliable, and gets the job done. At its accessible price point, the 2025 Corolla Cross offers value that's hard to beat in the SUV market: durability, practicality, and a no-hassle attitude. If you're after a compact SUV for the long haul, the Corolla Cross is the ultimate worry-free package, earning its spot in the top 3 most reliable SUVs of 2025. 2. Subaru Forester. While the Corolla Cross delivers simple reliability, the Subaru Forester stands out as a tough warrior, compact yet incredibly resilient and dependable. The 2025 Forester earns an impressive 88/100 reliability score from Consumer Reports, soaring past the segment average and often called the most reliable SUV under $30,000 today. This translates to fewer surprise repair bills and more confidence on every road. Interestingly, the Forester once had a reputation for being a bit fragile, like a lollipop on roller skates, but Subaru has turned things around dramatically. Recent owners rarely report major issues, instead praising the durability of the engine, transmission, and drivetrain. With standard all-wheel drive, the Forester is ready to tackle snowy paths, gravel roads, or long-distance trips without draining your wallet. Another plus: it gets 26 mpg in the city and 33 mpg on the highway. Solid numbers for a versatile compact SUV. Inside, the cabin is spacious with great visibility and comfortable seats, creating a friendly, welcoming vibe for drivers and passengers alike. The Forester doesn't promise luxury, it delivers dependability, like a friend who's always on time and there when you need them. With the 2025 Forester, Subaru proves reliability goes beyond numbers. It's about the confidence you feel every time you start the engine. If you want a compact, fuel-efficient, sturdy SUV ready for the long haul, the Forester is hard to overlook. Toyota RAV4. Topping the list, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 isn't just a best-selling SUV, it's a symbol of durability and trust. Consumer Reports gives it an 86/100 reliability score, backed by the real-world experiences of over 300,000 owners, from its dependable engine to its sturdy build. This is the golden key that makes the RAV4 the go-to choice for anyone who wants every drive to be worry-free, not a roll of the dice. The RAV4's greatest strength is its near-flawless consistency. Need a car for family commutes, school runs, weekend getaways, or just a reliable daily driver? The RAV4 handles it all with ease. Its fuel-efficient engine, averaging about 27 mpg in the standard gas model, keeps fuel costs in check. Plus, Toyota's Safety Sense suite, packed with features like collision warnings, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, turns the RAV4 into a high-tech shield for you and your loved ones. Owners also praise the interior's longevity. It's not luxurious, but it's solid, user-friendly, and holds up well over time. If the Highlander is the SUV for big families, the RAV4 is the perfect balance for most. More compact, more efficient, yet still quintessentially Toyota. Tough, low maintenance, and easy to fix when needed. It's no coincidence that the RAV4 has been a global bestseller for years. It combines practicality, reliability, and long-term value. If you want an SUV that's drama-free, just start it, drive, and enjoy the ride. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 is the perfect answer. That's why it claims the #1 spot on the list of the most reliable SUVs this year. If you're looking for an SUV to trust for the long haul, this list is your treasure map. From the refined Mazda CX-5, the adventurous Subaru Crosstrek, and the family-safe Toyota Highlander, to the rock-solid Honda CR-V, Toyota Corolla Cross, Subaru Forester, and the king of reliability, the Toyota RAV4, they all share one thing: minimal breakdowns, low costs, and unwavering dependability. These are the choices that protect your wallet and let you enjoy every journey to the fullest. If the video is good, hit like. If not, hit subscribe.